Hey everybody, Celinda from Let's Talk Prepping. I just wanted to show you some of the things, the odds and ends I bought at Walmart the other day. Nothing special, but maybe you will want one of these things. You'll say, hey, I should put that in my preps. Let me think about that. Let me get out there and get it. Well, first I did buy this storage bin. So I did buy a storage bin. And then 2 more cans of butane. I think there were 3 something each. Somebody asked me once how much everything cost. Just the strapping tape, mainly because I was mailing packages. I'm not sure what I'd use it for in a grid down situation, but it's pretty strong, so maybe you could do it on your screens if you get a hole in your screen, something like that. Bic razors. I was really looking for razor blades and I couldn't find any, but I did throw in Bic razors and Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue, this one works on everything from wood to stone to metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. So that should come in real handy in a grid down situation or in an emergency situation when you can't get the supplies you want. And then Zippo lighter fluid, use those in those heaters, those hand heaters. Don't know, can't think of what you call them now, but you just pour the lighter fluid in and light it, and then you have that flame that hunters usually use it. I threw in some dental floss. Now I just did a whole video on dental floss. Haven't put it up yet, but I did a whole video. Be looking for it. And of course, one of the lighters to light your wood stove, to light your gas grill. You always come in handy. Thing of ibuprofen. You've really got to get all of your medicine, all of your medical supplies now before the supply chain really goes bad. If you have prescription drugs, please get your prescription drugs now. Try to get an extension on your prescription. And don't forget vitamins. You really need lots of vitamins. This is called Quick Weld, and it's quick setting, steel reinforced epoxy. I just thought this would come in handy for all kinds of things. Great for household repairs, automotive, plumbing, marine, crafts, and more. So if you have trouble with the supply chain and it's grid down, something like this would come in handy. Here's a mouse repellent. It smells really good. It's made with peppermint oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary oil. So it's not poisonous, but if you put it in some places, it will keep the rodents out. I have one in the engine of my car because they were making a nest on top of the engine. And since I put that in, I haven't seen any, which is good. And I did go through the garden aisle, and I just picked up some organic fertilizer because it was there. This one's all-purpose, and because it's hard to get fertilizer now, so I thought I'd get it as long as I saw it. I just picked up a couple of novels to read. And this I got online. These are, what are they called? Early warning systems, I guess. What you're going to do is you put a shotgun primer in there and you hook up the trip wire, and then when someone sets it off, it's a loud bang, and it lets you know that someone is entering your property. I really wanted to try this and show you on YouTube, but I have a feeling YouTube's not going to like that, so I won't be showing you. And if you're going to buy these and try it, please wear ear protection because primers can be fairly loud. So that's what I got. Not a lot, just some odds and ends, but things like this Quick Weld and Gorilla Glue would be things that you might want to think about. And the other thing I want to mention is a few more prepper channels. I mentioned Gun Girl Prepper on my last video. This time I want to mention the Organized Pineapple, and Moments with Us. Moments with Us. So both the links are in the description below. Well, actually, all 3 links are in the description below. Check out their channels, their up-and-coming channels, and we all do something just a little bit different. So be sure to check them out. Please subscribe, please like the video, and thanks so much for watching.